Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Monday, October the 21st, 2024. We have not so good news because today we have only three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 stars, Sudoku, and the binary. There are no extra puzzles in this newspaper. Let me show you. No extra puzzles, no additional. Only three. Well, no problem. 3 puzzles. So only these 3 regular puzzles. What's the news of today? Well, today it's also 380 days ago another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel. And it's still going on. What's happening there? More than a year. Well. And fighting. Killing, yeah. Alright. 3464. This will be 3464. Enough about the war. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars has 25 and 25, so 1 digit more should be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is it a 3 stars or a 2 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me start with 8 in this column. 8 in the middle column, so the column next down, we place level 8. Should be there. 8. Need 8 here. Need 8, okay. Then, let me see. 2 in the first column, third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 place level, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 1, need a 1 here. In this column, wait. In this column, we need a 1. This box can be 1 because we have a 1 in this box, so no 1 there. These 3 boxes can be 1 because we have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here, or there. We have a 1 in one of these 3 boxes. In this column, 1 in the second column, so in the fifth column, the only place level 1 should be here. 1 in this row. 1 in the row below, so last row, the only place level 1 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box level 5 in the last row should be there. So 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of missing numbers is 6. We have 6 in the last column, no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing, 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then let me see. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 place level, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. We have 2 and 9 in this column, so no 2 and 9 in these 3 boxes. 2 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 9. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 2 goes there. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, and 7 is missing. 1, 4, 7. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in one of these 3 boxes in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place level 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3, 3. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes at there. 1 box, 2 numbers left in the middle. Oh wait, 2 and a 4. We already have a 2 now in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now 1 digit left in this column. Middle column for number 1. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1, 1, 1, 1. Need a 1 here. Need a 6 there. Need a 2 there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. 2 in the second row, no 2 there. Only place left for the 2 should be there. I think we have all the 2s, and all the 2s are used. I can't see. This is number 1, number 2. Now, let me see. Which number can I pick? 9, 9, 9. Need a 9 here. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9, 9. Need a 9 here. 9, 9. Alright. We have a pair. The 4 and the 9 in this row. The 4 and the 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row. The only 2 places left for the 4 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. So 2 numbers left in the middle row. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in the first column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 5, 5. Then 7 and the 6. 7 and the 6. 6, 6, 7 and 6. 8. Come on. No 7 here. 7, 3 and a 1. 3 missing numbers in this row. Oh wait, 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above the only place left for the 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row for numbers the 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this column, third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then we have 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 7. We have an 8 in the last column, 8 in that column, so the column between. Only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 8. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, there are only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there, we have 3 in this second row, no 3 there. 3 supposed to be here. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row, so in the first row. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 3, okay. Then 7. Need a 6. Need a 4, 6, and the 5. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. This is number 4, number 5, okay. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6 cannot fill this yet. Here also 4 and a 6. Here also 4 and a 6. 1, 4, 7. 1, 4, 7. Okay, need to wait. 2 numbers left in the last column for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 4 goes there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left. The 4 and the 7 in this big square. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. 4 and a 6. We have a 4 now in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. The 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8, 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, and the 9. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. The 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 4 and the 7, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 4 goes there, and the final 2 numbers, the 4 and the 9. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 9 goes there. 12 minutes. Well, we solved it again. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.